가수 소연 씨가 준비하겠습니다. 큰 박수로 모셔보겠습니다.
Look at this stuff, isn't it neat? Wouldn't you think my collection's complete? Wouldn't you think I'm the girl who has everything? Look at this trove, treasures untold. How many wonders can one cavern hold? Looking around here you think, sure, she's got everything. I've got goddesses and gizmos aplenty. I've got who's its and what's its galore. You want thinking of boss? I've got 20. But who cares? No big deal. I want more. I wanna be where the people are. I wanna see them dancing, walking around them doors. What do you call them? Oh, fate. Flipping your feet, you don't get too far. Legs are required for jumping, dancing, straight along down a, what's the word again? Street. Up where they walk, up where they run, up where they still day in the sun, wandering free. Wish I could be part of that world. What would I give if I could live out of these waters? What would I pay to spend a day warm on the sand? That's your own land, they understand, but they don't reprimand their daughters. Bright young women, sick of swimming, ready to stand. I'm ready to know what the people know. Ask my questions and get some answers. What's a fire and why does it, what's the word? Burn. When's it's my turn? Would not love to explore the shore above out of the sea. Wish I could be part of that
Alright, she sang The Little Mermaid OST very, calmly, without those crazy high notes that we always watch and hear from her, and she can be a good Disney singer like Lea Salonga. I saw some videos here about Soyoung singing cover songs about movies like Frozen and Moana, and I'll be making a separate reaction video to this covers. And if you like this video, just click the like button, and if you're not yet a part of the family, click the subscribe button so that you'll be notified every time I upload videos. And that's it. I'll make another reaction video, another song now. Bye!